Hello, EDUC 101 Introduction to Teaching students. I want to quickly go through this syllabus now together when we are just online, and so when we actually get in class we don't have to waste time going over the syllabus. This way also you can kind of pause, take notes, and really take time to look at the syllabus when you're not in a class setting. So first things first, you need to make sure that you have the syllabus printed out, because this is going to be your first quiz, and so you're going to need the syllabus printed out, a pencil, and some type of highlighter, because you're going to show me as you've gone through this video that you were paying attention and that you actually completed this video by marking all over the syllabus things that I want you to pay attention to. And then you're going to show it to me next Wednesday when we meet in person, and you're going to show it to me and I can give you your quiz grade. So the first thing I want you to notice is right here, you will see my phone number. That's my personal cell phone number. Put it in your cell phone now, and I want you to save it as Melissa Hess. If you ever need anything, I mean anything. If you ever need your car jumped, if you ever need a place to stay on the weekend, if you ever need a hot meal, someone to talk to, life advice, a question about this course, call me. Let me know. We're a small department, and one of the reasons that we are small, and one of the benefits of being small, is that you can count on your professors that we will be here for you if you need anything. Some of you are very far away from home, and this can be really beneficial and helpful to you guys, especially making this transition at the beginning of your freshman year. So what I want you to do, pause the video, save this cell phone number into your cell phone, and then I want you to put a check mark right here and put saved in my phone. That's very important. The next thing I want you to do is text this number and text me your name, and I'm going to save it in my phone. Reason being, let's say I have two children. I really do have two children. Let's say one of them gets sick and we suddenly don't have class. I want to text the whole group so you don't have to show up and sit in class waiting for someone to tell you class has been canceled. So there's that. You need to have something right here saying that you've saved it in your phone. You will see that there is a required text, This Becoming a Teacher, 10th edition. If you can find one for a good deal cheaper and it's a older edition, I'm okay with that. If you want to share textbooks, I'm okay with that. If you want to not purchase it and just read it in the library because it is on reserves, I'm okay with that also. This tells you a little bit about the course outcomes, standards that we are talking about. That really just applies for some accreditation purposes and to remind me what I'm teaching you. Right here is our mission and vision statements for the university. And then course requirements. This is really important. It says that you can only miss 6 hours. Go ahead and highlight that. And then also a late arrival or early dismissal exceeding 15 minutes will be counted as 1 hour of absences. I'm really picky about this. I feel like when you are in my class that we are doing important things, and that we are relying on you to be an important member of our learning community, which means I want you there. I want to hear what you think about certain topics. Most of this course will not be lecture driven. It'll be some type of Socratic seminar where we're discussing something and you bring value and wisdom to this class. So make sure that by the time 12:30 on a Wednesday rolls around, you're not walking in the class. You have already found a seat. You are ready to roll, and you've gone to the bathroom. You have your drinks or snacks, whatever you need, but you're ready to roll at 12:30. So make sure that that is highlighted in this 6 hours. Because I would like you there. Participation includes that you're doing your readings, that you are doing your assignments to the best of your ability, that you are completing Canvas assignments thoughtfully as well as on time. If you are late to any of your assignments, you will see down a little bit more that every 24 hours you are late, you lose 10 percentage points. So make sure you get those on time. But I would like for you to be in class, present, ready to roll. We don't need any laptops open during class. We don't need any cell phones, nothing. All technology is put away, and we just get to spend some time together. On all of your assignments, make sure you're using 12-point Times New Roman font, 1-inch page margins. This says right here to go ahead and put your name, chapter being reviewed, and your mailbox number in the header, but it doesn't need to take up space. So your header is right here in a document. You see that? You can put all that up there, but it doesn't need to take up space down here. Let me go back down to here. And so I would like for you to highlight just that sentence. And header, you can underline that. For your field experiences in your journals, we'll talk about this a little bit more, but you are going to be going to Roberts. It's within walking distance, and we're actually going to walk there together next Wednesday. And you are going to complete 5 one-hour observations at Roberts. What I need for you to do, just to get the ball moving a little bit, is I need for you to email Jackie. So right here it says email Jackie Rosenberger. I need for you to email her. She's our department coordinator, and I need for you to ask for her, how do I sign up to observe at Roberts? If you have not already gotten the email, she might have already emailed you with that. But you're writing a statement right here saying, I signed up for what dates at Roberts. We're going through. You will see that you're going to visit Roberts 5 times, 1 hour apiece. And for each hour, you write a 2-page reflection paper. Now that's a lot to come up with, and so I've given you topics to write on to make it a little bit easier. So topics 1 and 2, so your first 2 visits here is what you're going to write on for the first time and then the second time. And then this is what you're going to write on for your 3rd time there, your 4th time, and then your 5th time. That just helps you being able to reflect on your experience. Right here is your final journal entry, and you actually turn that in at the very end about your overall experience. Something very important up here. Go ahead and highlight. In addition, you will be provided an observation sheet. What I want you to do is I want you to put a check mark right here and put I printed it off Canvas, and I want you to print it off Canvas underneath the observation modules. Okay, that is all on that page, page 5. I'm going to page 6. You have a couple of assignments in here, and you can see how your assignments are broken down. And I believe this is, let's see where it is. Weekly assignments, Nope, that has been deleted. That is very interesting. That is all that I want you to put up for right there. Things that I do want you to highlight for me, though, is that you have your first observation reflection due on September 4th. Go ahead and highlight that. That's really important. That's your first one, which means that you've got to be able to get in there within the next week or 2. And then right here, I want you to highlight teaching platform outline due. That's a really important date. And then history of education timeline project. Go ahead and highlight that. That is all you need for right now. That is a good intro of this course. As always, remember, if you need anything, give me a call and I would be happy to help. And I will see you guys next Wednesday.